Hey guys, we're back out in the garage. But today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to discuss toolboxes and the new upgrade coming. Stick around. So it's been just about a year since I got this. It's the 30-inch Harbor Freight tool cart. I'll put a link right up top here somewhere, and I'll also put it at the end at the review on this one. So, like I said, it's been a year, and I'm telling you what, this has been a great toolbox. But if you look at that other video, I talk about how I'm glad I got rid of my big toolbox that I had for 20 years, and the downside is nice, and to be honest with you, I can't live without a bigger box. So this video is going to be that new box. Well, since I did decide to get a new box, I went back to Harbor Freight. And because this box has been so good to me. So I went to Harbor Freight. And what I found out is I wanted to get the 72-inch box. But the 72-inch box is like out to July. I did find one of them in Lancaster, which is far from where I'm at right now. And it was yellow. And I just didn't want a yellow one. So I've been calling around. And I got a lead on one of them. And right now we're going to go get ourselves a new box. So come along and let's go get this box now. All right, so you guys probably already know by the title of the video what box we're getting. But at this point, I still am very unsure of what I'm getting. I don't know if I'm going to go with the 56 or if I'm going to go with the 72. So we'll find out. Like I say, I'm not sure I need a 72, but who knows? I mean, we'll see. All right, let's head out there and get a box. I don't know what I would do without a lift gate. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd like to take a second, ask you to support the channel. The only thing you have to do, and it's completely free, hit this like button, come down here, hit that sub button, click on the little bell and hit all. That way you'll get notifications every time we put up a new video. And like I say, it's free and it really supports the channel. So thanks a lot and back to the video. All right, well here she is. So let me tell you a quick story on this one. So I go up to get this box. And apparently this is what is known as an unboxed product or whatever. The box came in, it comes in with wood and all that stuff on a pallet. And it came in and the side of it was damaged. Somebody ordered it, it came in, the side of the pallet was damaged. If you notice, there's no scratch, not a single dent, scratch, anything on this box. So basically what happened is I got this box at 20% off. So this box normally costs $7.89 or whatever. I got this box at $6.31. So I tell you what, I couldn't even ask for a better setup on that. And just like the other one, I'll do a quick look at this one, but I will do an in-depth review on this one after I get everything set up on it. And I do want to get a top box. The funny thing is, the top box is probably going to cost me just as much as this box now that I got the discount. I think the top box was like $5.99. Alright, so just like my 30-inch box, and again, I'll do a better review on this one. Some big deep drawers. They all have this cool liner. It has the big caster wheels that you can lock, of course. And this one over here on this side are straight. Those are swivels on the other side. It does also offer the locking mechanism, like all Harbor Freights do. I mean, look at the size of the drawers. They're so nice. Each side locks, this one and this one. Again, with the big deep drawers. I can't wait to get this set up. I'll do a complete tour on the setup. And I'm thinking maybe one of these drawers would be better for my chargers. You know, we'll see. Like that. That's a deep drawer. I mean, that's deep, so. Yep. I'm looking forward to it. Again, I've mentioned this before, that US General is, if you have a quality toolbox, powder coated, made of steel, nice pull drawers, nice locks. This name means absolutely nothing to me. I mean, I can get a strap on and, you know, spend thousands of dollars for it. And I'm not knocking them at all, but I'm just saying, I'm not professional, but, you know, nice big workspace. So anyway, I think it's a nice box. I think I did pretty good on this purchase. All the glides and slides, this is powder coated instead of painted. And if it's half as durable as that one over there, that's a year and it looks like brand new. And anybody watches the channel knows that I do work. So that box has been used. I just clean it up. And I know sometimes the garage, when you see me doing projects, it doesn't look very clean because when I'm doing projects, I'm slinging stuff. But I do try to keep my stuff nice. So, but I mean, it has some really deep drawers, handles, the tape that goes on for the handle for the pulls. I don't know if I'll put that on or not. Kind of, yeah, I might, whatever. But so they make an Icon box. The Icon box has power to it, and my buddy's ordering that one. I'll do a review on that one too, or let you have a quick look on that one. But what I'm thinking about doing is turning this drawer right here into a power drawer. I did see a mod on YouTube about how I could turn this into a power drawer to keep my chargers plugged in or what have you. But, I mean, they're over there, but we'll see what happens there. But anyway, I don't want to drag this video out too long, but this is the new box. So, like I say, upcoming, there's other videos coming out, but upcoming videos on this box, the setup, and what I think of it. But check out that video. Again, I'll put the link up top there, and it'll be at the bottom, and you'll see if that's what you want, or you want to kick the money and go this route. Some people don't have the space to go this, and I'm telling you, I can't say anything bad about that little box over there. It was a good little box, holds a lot of tools, and I can't say anything bad at all about it. So, like I say, this is not a review, so please don't hate me in the bottom of the comments saying you didn't show me enough of this box. This is just the first look, showing you that I went from that to this, and I will do another review, a review on this one soon. All right, here's my socket drawer. So, all right, thanks for checking out. Now let's get back to work.